currently like 1:10, but like I'm like totally wide awake, and I'm gonna bake peanut butter cookies for my family and for myself. We're gonna do like the simple one, like those TikTok recipes, and we're just gonna need 5 ingredients. Do 5? Yeah, we're gonna need 5 ingredients. So we're gonna preheat the oven for like 350. Okay, never mind. The oven don't have 350, we only have 250.
Just on the thing then.
We're gonna preheat for 30 minutes or longer.
20 lah. 20 quite long actually.
30, because we're gonna make. Okay, so we're like preheating the oven, and then we're gonna start making the cookies. Let's go.
Perfect.
Please send me, yeah. Okay.
Oh, I accidentally delete. I swear. You so odd. Go out.
Hey, that's my friend.
Talk to your friend then.
So sad. I'm sorry she kicked you out. I'll make you feel welcome.
See, it's very easy to make, right?
Mommy, it smells like the donut that I first made.
The most terrible one.
I don't know because it's my first time to make.
Okay.
We got everything all. Everything we all agak-agak.
This is not even a perfect.
Make again lah, but with very real ingredients.
I don't want to make again.
I don't want donut.
I also don't want donut.
I don't.
You want us to try the potato cheese for you guys? Okay, sure. So
This one?
we're gonna
so
put it
nice.
on the plate. Oops, sorry. It's like this.
Wow, you cut the most ugly side.
It's okay.
I want some, please. I want
tastes
the
like
middle
potato
one.
cheese. It's okay. See, I already put in my mouth, you know. Okay. It's a pass. It's the 10 out of 10. So because my mom just ordered these measuring cups,
Okay, wait. Can
whisk.
I do this?
Because my mom just ordered like those measuring cups, these whisk, and these like all at Shopee.
You're making 1 egg only?
So that's why we're like baking non-stop. Okay, we're gonna start making peanut butter cookies. Okay, we'll make this satisfying for you guys. Okay, hold on, yeah.
Oh, Nadia, don't press it down.
I'm not pressing down.
I just saw you press down. Okay.
Wait, more. I want it to come out like perfect, you know.
You want it to be so sweet? Are you okay, sis?
Yeah, don't.
She press down. So stupid. If too sweet, blame her. She giving us diabetes.
I swear, you have one job. One job. So sad. Sorry, guys.
No flour.
No. Sorry, guys. It's such a disappointment. Never mind. It's okay. 1 cup.
1 cup also? Are you sure 1 cup?
Yes, 1
Jeez,
cup.
it's a lot. It's like so a lot, bro.
I don't like peanut butter. I'm just making this because we only have peanut butter at home.
Oh, it smells terrible.
People who like peanut butter is weird.
I know, right? Cookies or something.
Peanut butter is so. Can you calm down?
I don't want to let them see me.
1 cup.
I shy.
1 cup.
Teaspoon. I'll say 1/4 teaspoon. Why would you put 1 whole?
He's using
That's what they put.
She's using 1/4 teaspoons.
No, I mean the
Two tablespoon. 2 teaspoon.
2 teaspoon.
Let me just go YouTube.
Because this.
Huh?
I meant to say 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon. Nadia.
1 teaspoon.
That one.
1 teaspoon.
Then 1 teaspoon.
This half of teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. Which one is the tablespoon?
This is the one.
That's a lot, bro. You want to see how she pour first? You want to see what she put in?
This ah? Full lah. Okay, and then 1 egg.
Yeah.
Korean. Just crack here. Oh my god, you're making things so difficult for you.
Oh.
Terrible cracker.
I don't understand why people like peanut butter. It's so bad.
Very nice. Peanut butter. Smell good.
Are you like for real or you just trying to say it?
Yes.
Let me this. Nah. We don't have like chocolate chips, so we cut like the chocolate into like that.
Eat.
We're gonna add more chocolate.
More?
Huh? That big?
Yes. So the first bit.
Wow. Satisfying.
No,
I'm gonna put melted butter in.
When-
Before that, do you wash the thing?
Where?
Do you wash the brush?
Yeah.
You play dialogue ah?
I do like that already.
Dirty.
And then you wash first ah.
Nadia, you're so dirty.
No, this one.
It's not gonna wipe, mommy. It's not gonna wipe.
I mean, it's not gonna work. It's already white.
It's okay, it's okay.
It's already white. It's butter.
You can bake evenly.
Like that.
Ah.
Roll it out. Roll it, roll it. You know what's roll? I never asked you to flatten like that. Ya Allah, Nadia, like this.
Okay, I got it.
Roll.
Oh. Say lah properly. How I know?
Because you bowl sus kambing.
Okay. Noted lah.
Don't press like that. It will
Flatten.
flatten.
Should I call that? Give
Set.
them social distancing.
Oh yeah, social distancing.
Okay. How distant? 1
1
1
meter?
meter apart. 1 finger apart.
Okay, we're done with making peanut butter cookie.
Let me.
Time to clean up first and I'll show you the. This one is so messy. Okay guys, we're gonna put this in the oven. The grey one.
Nadia.
Okay, we're gonna like start now. We don't have 250, so we're gonna put extra minute. If it's 8 to 20 minutes, we put 20 minutes, okay? Is it?
No. 8 to 10 minutes, why you put 20 minutes?
Because it's 250.
It's 250 and another 100 what? Add another 100.
How we add another plus 100? We don't have any more. That's the max.
How to like?
Okay, we just keep track.
Can we go on above it? I thought I was smart enough. Guess not.
15 minutes, yeah? We're gonna bake it.
15?
Yeah, 15. No, 8 to 10 minutes first.
You don't even know what you're saying.
It is correct. Ala, a bit only.
Every minute counts.
Huh? Yeah. Okay, we wait for like 8 to 10 minutes and then we'll come back. Excuse me.
Maybe it's too much.
Too much what?
Maybe like 5 minutes only.
Off the bed, like mommy.
What is that?
Okay, wait, I can't see anything.
I think it's burned.
What to do?
It's burned.
Girl, I cannot bake. Smells like cookie though.
Burnt. Oh my god, it's really burnt. Because she already preheat for so long, it's already hot.
Yeah.
That's like.
So I'm getting scolded lah, huh? You all agree to me putting it, yeah? I got scolded. Guys, we're gonna do second time, okay?
Can we take like
Second batch. Too sweet, alamak.
So sweet.
You have to reduce your brown sugar.
This is literally the cookies that
From
I
today
made in
onwards.
school.
From today onwards, I'm not gonna bake. Oh, good. My donut already 0 point. The lowest of my donut was 0.3 out of 0.35 out of 10.
No, his daddy was 0.0004 now.
Press some more lah, the sugar.
Guys, I tried, guys.
Eh, but Nadia try.
I don't want.
It's nice actually.
Liars.
Only it's learned.
It's only can taste peanut butter. Ah, you wasted the cookies.
It's nice though. I'm kidding, it's not. I'm just gonna convince myself because I baked that. I followed the recipe from the YouTube.
Told you to listen to me, don't listen.
Listen to what? I did it correctly. No, put in the box. Guys,
You give to someone to eat.
check this out. It's so bad. How? I'm so sad, guys. We just wait for that batch. Okay, batch 2 it's done and it's okay. But like it's pretty. Just take a look at. Mmm.
Very sweet, right? She's so big, bad and big, you don't know so big.
But you said my camera.
Why is that too sweet? You bite that big? Is that burnt?
Yeah.
You.
Yeah. How is it?
It tastes like caramel. I wouldn't eat it again.
Yeah. Same lah, but still not lah.
I don't know why I don't like it, but it's addicting to bite.
It's chewy. Because it is 1 cup of sugar.
No, the thing is, yeah, we put 1 cup, but you press it down. I rate this like 5 of 10
A 5?
because like effort is there
It's nice.
with the chocolate, right?
It's nice.
I know. I think also.
I rated it a 6 out of 10. But I will never eat it again.
Yeah.
It's because it's too sweet and it's burnt. Okay, so that's the end of my video. I don't know what to title it, it's so impromptu, but I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll be back for more videos. I don't know when, but
Soon, I guess.
soon. Yeah, I don't know when. Probably not soon, probably soon. But yeah, stay tuned. Bye.